Subscribe to my channel Coco TV 3R and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. Today we will learn about some fruits name A to Z. Let's go! Yay! A for apple.
A for apple.
A for avocado.
A for avocado.
A for acorn.
A for acorn.
B for blueberry.
B for blueberry.
B for banana.
B for banana.
C for custard apple.
C for custard apple.
C for cherry.
C for cherry.
D for dragon fruit.
D for dragon fruit.
E for elderberry.
E for elderberry.
F for fig.
F for fig.
G for guava.
G for guava.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for honeydew.
H for honeydew.
I for Indian prune.
I for Indian prawn.
J for jackfruit.
J for jackfruit.
K for kiwi.
K for kiwi. Kiwi.
L for lychee.
L for lychee.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nectarine.
N for nectarine.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pear.
P for pear.
P for pineapple.
P for pineapple.
P for pomegranate.
P for pomegranate.
P for papaya.
P for papaya.
Q for queens.
Q for queens.
R for red berry.
R for red berry.
R for raspberry.
R for raspberry.
S for star fruit.
S for star fruit.
S for strawberry.
S for strawberry.
T for tamarind.
T for tamarind.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
U for ugly fruit.
U for ugly fruit.
V for vanilla beans.
V for vanilla beans.
W for water apple.
W for water apple.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for zango mangosteen.
X for zango mangosteen.
Y for yellow passion fruit.
Y for yellow passion fruit.
Z for zucchini.
Z for zucchini.